Hi there, welcome back to my channel, RetroSusie. I'm Susie, and as you can see, I have some things here from Dollar Tree. So I wanted to participate in the 2024 Paper Terrace Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge. So if you don't know Jessica at Paper Terrace and you're interested in junk journaling, I would recommend checking out her channel. She is amazing and has a ton of resources and ideas, and she's just awesome. So I would recommend that. But she does have this 2024 Junk Journal Challenge going on. So you can check out, I'll put a link to her video about she has a whole playlist. I'm kind of getting a late start on this because it did start 11 days ago, but it just seemed like so much fun, and I really wanted to try and make a junk journal out of Dollar Tree items. And the limit is around $20. So this is my receipt. She said you can go a little bit over, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use everything here, but I did get a lot of fun stuff, and I think everything here was $1.25. So let's just go through some of the things that we have. So we have these great flower stickers that kind of have that metallic look to them. I love these. It's kind of a floral princess theme, kind of purples and pinks. And then we have this Let's Go Girls Jot journal that just has these lined pink pages. And then my daughter noticed, which I didn't notice at first, but these are all stickers. So that's kind of cool. So I thought I could use maybe these papers in the journal. And then we have this really pretty glitter tool that I've used before, this stuff to make pockets, and thought maybe we could do something like that. Lots of ways you can use that. And then they have these sweet little books. This one is the Little Book of Princess Tales, and Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and Snow White. But I love using pages like this in my journals. I love the castle here. And there's just lots of fun pages that you can use. Got that. And then another book that has some sayings in it. Happy, kind, loving, thankful, brave yourself. And this one, I thought I could use these quotes. You could cut them out. You could put them on a tag. Do things that feed your soul, not your ego, and you will be happy. Even these side strips here I could use, but I just thought these were great. Beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. There's always, always, always something to be thankful for. A true artist is not one who is inspired, but one who inspires others. Salvador Dali. Anyway, I just thought there were a lot of really great. I found a bunch of little books like this that were really great there for $1.25. So I did get more, but for what I got for this challenge, these are the ones that I picked. Then some glass beads. The pinks I like. And then some plastic beads. I don't normally use plastic beads, but I wanted to make dangles to go on the side, and I do like this round type of bead, so got those. And and these paper packs, you guys, I could not believe these paper packs. And this, looks like kind of like a handmade paper, but also my daughter suggested, which I thought was a great idea, that this stuff and this stuff can be used as cardstock to, make things out of as well, tags and stuff. But look at some of this paper. Like this is, oh, there is cardstock in here. For $1.25, these are nice little packs. A lot of the pink textured paper. Oh, and that's pretty. Oh, and that's the back of it. So that's the front, that's the back. Wow. That's so cool. But there's a lot in there for $1.25. I didn't think these packs here were gonna be $1.25. I was like, how much are these? And he was like $1.75, and then they were $1.25. I couldn't believe it. So I got two of those. One with pink, and then one that has more purples and blues and a lighter pink. And look at this. I just love that. And then some glitter in pinks and purples, which I thought I could, I don't know, I'll use it somewhere. I could, never have too much glitter. And then I thought this was cool, and maybe to make a pocket. They had these in all different colors. I just think it's really pretty. Figure out some way to use that. And then I've been actually wanting manuscript paper for a while. So it's just basic manuscript paper that I can use for pages. And then this iron-on glitter sheet that I thought maybe I could cut letters out of and use to put on the cover. I don't know. I haven't thought it out fully, but again, I'm just a sucker for anything glittery. And then these little bags that have this pattern down the side, and then these in the front and the back, which we thought were really pretty and cute and could be used for pockets or tags or a lot of different stuff. Deconstruct those. And then I got just a legal pad. This is a 2-pack, which isn't even as big as a normal 1-pack, but for the inside pages as well. And then this is like a bonus because I really wanted it for the box, so I can use the box to make the cover. And then you get the fiddle faddle, which they had this when I was, years and years ago. I haven't seen fiddle faddle in a long time, but I am trying to eat healthy right now, so this is going to be an issue. 2/3 of a cup is 140 calories and 4 grams of fat, 1 gram of saturated fat. So if I eat it little by little, but yeah, I'm going to use that for the cover. And then I'm going to cover it with this giant, this is huge. This is full size. So there's a lot that we can get out of this, but this will be the cover. So yeah, so I'm super, 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 oh, and it also has this little tag and then the ribbons you can use too. But yeah, I'm super, super, super excited to use all of these things. And can't wait to see how it comes out. And I wanted to record this really quick and just get it up and be a part of the challenge. Again, here's my receipt for everything. So I will post my progress, and I will put a link in the description box below so you can get to Jessica's playlist. And I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope that you follow along and be inspired by the challenge and head out to Dollar Tree and get your stuff. So she lists all the guidelines in her video, in her first video. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and until the next time, so long.